everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Hello Kitty beaded keychain. It's quick, it's cute, and it's perfect for bags, backpacks, or gifts. Let's get started. So we are going to need about a foot of string, 14 white beads, 4 black beads, 2 pink beads, a keychain ring, and a pair of scissors. Let's start making it. First, we're going to make the base of Hello Kitty's face. Take your string and slide on 10 white beads. Once all 10 are on, bring the ends together and tie them into a circle, leaving about 1.5 inches of string on one side. Okay, now that I got all the beads on, I'm gonna tie it in a little knot. And then I would triple knot it so that it stays tight, and pull it tight. And then you're gonna trim the short end and there we go. So you're gonna form it into a hexagon shape like this. Then you see this point, you're gonna put the string into that, like that. And then you're gonna take a pink bead and put it on, then a white bead and another pink bead. And then you're gonna put it not in this one right here, you're gonna put in this one, this little point, and pull it tight. So you have the first ear. Okay, so now you're gonna put on 3 white beads. And you're gonna do the same thing. Put it not in that middle one, in the point right there. Okay. And pull that tight to make the second ear. Okay, so now we're gonna do the whiskers. You're gonna put 2 black beads on the string, like this, and then do that again, not in this middle one, but in the point, like that. So this part's a little tricky. You're gonna put it through this middle one and this point right here. So you can do it one at a time, or you can do it both at once like me. And you're gonna have that. So now you're gonna put on your 2 black beads and do the same thing. And you're gonna put it in this bead right here, if it'll let me. It's a little tricky if you can tell. And pull that tight. Make sure all of it is tight, like that. And now we're gonna tie it off. You're gonna put it through the middle like that. And then you're gonna pull it through and out like that. And pull that tight, and you're gonna do that 2 or 3 times. So, 2 and 3. Now we're gonna cut that. Just snip it. And then we got the little Hello Kitty done. And now we're going to take the keychain ring and put it on this one with the bow, the tip of the ear with the bow. And it's a little hard to do that part, but then you're done. So now you've made your Hello Kitty beaded keychain. Thanks for crafting with me!